Chloroplast. Objective: to learn about the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are specialized organelles found in most plant cells. They contain a pigment known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is responsible for the plant's green color and ability to absorb energy from sunlight. This energy is used to convert water and atmospheric carbon dioxide into sugars that can be metabolized through the biochemical process of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are distributed within the cytoplasm of plant cells. In some cells, they are concentrated around the nucleus or just beneath the cell wall. In higher plants, the chloroplasts are biconvex in shape, similar to that of a football. However, in some plants, chloroplasts will occasionally take on other shapes such as filamentous, spheroid, ovoid, or discoid. Chloroplasts measure 2 to 3 microns width and 5 to 10 microns in length. The number of chloroplasts varies from cell to cell and from species to species, but it usually remains constant for a particular plant. Green algae typically have a single, large chloroplast, while the cells of higher plants have anywhere between 2 and 40 chloroplasts. The chloroplast is enclosed in a double membrane, the inner and outer phospholipid. Between these two layers is the intermembrane space. Inside this inner membrane is a matrix of enzymes and water known as stroma. Inside the stroma, there are membranes folded into discs called thylakoids, which are arranged in stacks called grana. Two adjacent grana are joined to one another by lamellae called intergranal lamellae or stroma lamellae. On the surface of the thylakoids, molecules of green pigment called chlorophyll are present. Thylakoids are the sites not only of photosynthesis, but also the synthesis of ATP, otherwise known as adenosine triphosphate. The thylakoids also contain accessory pigments, enzymes, and electron transport systems. Within the stroma, circular DNA, tiny lumps of starch granules, lipid globules, and ribosomes are present. The chloroplast is involved in both stages of photosynthesis. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoid discs. During this reaction, water is oxidized and oxygen is released. The dark reaction occurs outside of the thylakoids in the stroma. In this reaction, sugar molecules and other organic molecules necessary for cell function and metabolism are produced. Summary: chloroplasts are cell organelles present only in plants. They contain the green pigment known as chlorophyll. They are the sites of photosynthesis.